We'll be showing the difference of the speed reduction upgrade for both the Ultrafeed LS and LSZ. We're going to show the LSZ in this video, but they both apply. In this video, we're going to show you the performance difference from the WorkerB Balance Wheel that the machine comes with and the Monster 2 Balance Wheel. And we're also going to show you how to install it and switch them out. We're going to start sewing with the WorkerB at the highest setting, and we also have the WorkerB Balance Wheel on to show you the high speed that we have with this. Now we're going to turn the WorkerB all the way to the slowest top end speed, and I'm going to go push down all the way on the foot control. Now if I baby the foot control and I go really slow, I can do stitch by stitch, so watch. Notice the needle hesitates to go into the 4 layers of marine grade fabric just a little bit, but we have really good slow speed control. So let's compare this with the Monster 2 Balance Wheel. First we're going to show you how to change this one out for it. Pull out the posi pin safety shear and set it aside. Loosen this knob by turning it clockwise and take it off. So now what I'll do is I'll roll the balance wheel towards me and I'll pull it off at the same time, and the belt will eventually wander to the side and come off of this balance wheel, just like that. So now I'm going to put my finger in here and push the belt so that it slides alongside of the jack drive here, and then pull it out because it needs to be replaced with this larger belt. To put the larger belt on, do the exact opposite. Push the belt so that it goes sideways around the belt cover and onto the small pulley here, like that. Perfect. Put the belt up here around the bobbin winder to get it out of the way. Take the Monster 2 Balance Wheel and slide it onto the shaft until it rests against the bushing of that shaft. Take this belt, start it at the back side on the cogs of the Monster 2 Balance Wheel, and roll it towards you like you do a bicycle chain. And it should find its way onto the balance wheel, which it did. Now take this knob and screw it on, and remember it goes counterclockwise this time until it's all the way down on the base. Then we can take our posi pin safety shear, insert it in the hole, rotate it until it finds a hole in the bushing, and it's ready for use. I'm going to turn the WorkerB all the way up to its highest speed, and we're going to show you how fast it'll go with me pressing all the way down on the foot control. So this is your top end speed. Turn the WorkerB all the way to the slowest speed setting, and this is your slowest speed. And if you want to do stitch by stitch, I'm going to try to baby the foot control so that I can go really super slow. And you'll notice that even going at this speed, it easily punches through the 4 layers better than the WorkerB Balance Wheel did. And that's the difference of those 2 balance wheels. Next, we'll show a side-by-side comparison of the 2. Here shows the WorkerB turned up to full speed and pedal to the metal. Next, the WorkerB is turned down to the slowest top end speed and our pedal is pushed all the way down. And finally, the WorkerB is still turned down to the lowest speed, but we are gradually pressing on the control to get the slowest speed possible. So now you can see the difference between the speed reduction Monster 2 Balance Wheel and the standard balance wheel called the WorkerB Balance Wheel. For hand cranking, take the bolt and insert it in the hand crank handle, then take your Allen key and simply screw it on to the balance wheel. The hand crank can only be operated with a Monster 2 Balance Wheel. If you want to hand crank with the Monster 2 Balance Wheel, it's best to take the belt off so you don't have to fight the motor. And I usually just tuck it back behind this so it stays out of the way. Always turn the balance wheel towards you and down. The belt's a little bit, there we go. Look how easy it is to hand crank.
If you want to do reversing, use the lever. Still turn the balance wheel the exact same direction. Nice. With the speed reduction package, the Monster 2 balance wheel is much heavier. So we have a kickstand that goes into this slot and rests behind the carrying case. So now when you tip your machine back to do any maintenance or to look underneath, it balances beautifully, and the weight of the balance wheel is supported by that kickstand. If you don't have the Monster 2 balance wheel and you're using the WorkerB balance wheel, you don't need the kickstand because it's perfectly balanced.
Order the speed reduction upgrade with manual operation for the Ultrafeed LS or LSC today.